Hello, everyone. This is Siddiq Katiya from Katiya Academy. The main purpose of the academy is the education, and more specifically is for to improve the language literacy among the adults, mainly the poor populations. We know that there are significant percentage of populations, especially in the third world countries, uh, cannot read and write in their own native language as well as in English. So here we are developing certain languages, online courses, which are free. Um, and here, one of the examples I'm gonna introduce to you, which is how to read the Noble Quran, read and to recite. This course was about 15 years ago. We have developed it using the previous web technology, but now the technology has been changed. There will be major changes happening in the web technology, and the courses which was designed 15 years ago could be obsolete. So we have designed this course. Basically, is a mobile friendly, and these courses will support cross-platform. That means that it will support the PCs, the Mac, Apple, Android, you name it. Any operating systems will support it. These courses are interactive. Basically, the main our approach of this course is to teach people to alphabets, introduction to the alphabets, and then how to make the sound. Once they know how to make a sound, they'll be able to read and write. So now they have access to informations, for example, the dictionaries, other anything, so they can have access to learn the languages properly. Most cases, when we're talking about illiteracy, most of the people, for example, in Pakistan, the people the age of 15 and 45, there are 30 million people cannot read and write in their own native languages, which is Urdu. But they understand the language. They can they understand it. They don't need the grammar to understand it. But only thing they're not able to read and write. So basically, this is what we're designing the system. Here's the example of the reading Arabic Quran. This course was designed because you have to understand that there are two systems. Two main systems exist. One is used in Pakistan, which is a little bit different in the sign, but the both system. Another one is used by the Arabs. There's a slight differences, not a major differences. It's like driving on the left-hand side in India, Pakistan, versus in North America, the people drive in the right-hand side, but the approach is the same. So here's the example, and then here. So we have a lesson number 1. If you press this button, it gives you the sound. Also, there's instructions available, so the user can use the instructions. Basically, it goes there, and you can close it, and it has a multiple language instruction. You can do in French if you want, in Urdu, and so on. Here the manuscript of the oldest Quran, which was recently discovered. This is the way people used to write. Now they're writing this way. So there is a slight modification in the scripts, just to facilitate that. You can go into another subject. It's a complete course.
شأن تؤثرون.
Here that we have example of the course we are developing. It is for Urdu language, and
ألف ب ب ت.
here's the example of another one. How the we're going to be presenting a lot of videos how to join the letter, because it's one of the difficult part in Arabic writing system is the joining and attaching the letters, and this is what we're going to be presenting a lot of videos. Okay, here's the example of this one.
أب إس آج.
Okay. Also for writing, we also developing keyboard, special keyboards. Basically, is to write, because a lot of people have a difficulty to writing. In the traditional way is to write it by hand, but now people are using the keyboard. So we have designed a special keyboard which basically they'll be able to write it instead of writing on the piece of paper. They'll be able to write it using the smartphones. So they'll be able to communicate it by email to someone. They can write paper and so on. I hope this presentation is helpful, and stay tuned for further videos, as well as you must visit the site jaria.ca, where you're going to find all the courses. We have a plan to develop 20 international languages that will include Arabic language, Urdu, Sindhi, Gujarati, Hindi, and so on, many languages, because in these connections we need a collaboration. We need the people who can collaborate to design the courses. Katiya Academy will provide all the technical assistance and the platform so you can host the courses of your choice. We need volunteers to to further improve these courses. Thank you very much.